Welcome back. How you are doing today? I hope you are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be reviewing eyelashes, Star Lashes by Odette. If you all don't know who Miss Odette is, Miss Odette is a YouTuber as well, just like me.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
So like I said, she's a YouTuber just like me, and she just recently launched her own brand of lashes. She go by Odette Young on YouTube, and since I've been watching the video where she introduced these lashes to us, I believe she has about 2 or 3 styles. If I am wrong, I will correct it on the screen. Okay, so I'm gonna put the names of each lashes she has as her own brand. I'll put it on the screen. Also, I'll put the price on the screen, okay, because I don't want to give you wrong information. So before we jump into that, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be reviewing eyelashes by Odette Young, and I don't know what style I have in right here, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you guys to see. These lashes are meant for people that wear glasses. I do wear glasses to read and to watch TV for a little while, anything that's got to do with the screen. All right, this is a beautiful packaging. I can see it already. Yes guys, look at that, ladies. Look at that, lady. This is a beautiful packaging. I love this rose gold going on right here. And if you open it just like that, see, this is so beautiful. Look at the packaging right there. It's so beautiful. I love it already. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. So when you open it, you have this card that says Starlash by Odette. Okay, rest assured your package was handled with the utmost safety and care and were completely sanitized before packaging. Packaged by Odette Young. Look at that. That is so beautiful. And in here, that's the good thing. Another thing I learned from the video that I've seen so far about this brand is whenever you purchase, you're going to receive 2 packages of the lashes in your oh, I have a Romeo and Just Girly right here. Just Girly is this one, and I have Romeo right here. So like I said, I told you I'm going to put the names of what she has on the screen because I don't want to make mistakes and start finding a way to correct it. If you get my point, I know she has Joy. I think she has Joy. She has Faith, if I'm not wrong, but this is Just Girly and this is Romeo. So I'll put them on the screen. So I'm going to be trying one of these. Like I said, these lashes are specifically for, I mean, if you wear glasses and you don't want it touching your glasses so that you not be uncomfortable. She kind of did a product targeted towards women, ladies, girls, you know, that wear glasses. So I have 2 styles of glasses that I normally wear to work or to read, so I just switch it up whatever with according to my mood. All right, that's why I have 2 styles. Okay, so I'm going to be trying these lashes with those 2 styles. Okay, this is not a tutorial on how to wear false lashes, okay, so I'm not going to prolong the matter, but I will let you guys know which one I'm going to be trying, and I will try with my 2 pairs of styles of glasses that I have. Then we'll wrap up this video. All right, I remember she told me this is just a bonus. She told me she was going to send into the package for me, and I know why she did this is because she knows I love blings. So she sent me this eyeliner, and it has a lot of blinks going on. I think that was why she sent it to me. This is not part of what she intended sending, but I guess she just felt like I will love it, and I'm loving it already. It's an eyeliner. All right, and that's what I'm going to be using to line my eye before I pop in this false lashes. Then we wrap it up. All right, Okay, Miss Odette, I know you'll be watching this video. I want to use this time to say thank you so much for including me in your PR package. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. And again, I want to use this time to say thank you so much for this liquid eyeliner. That's what I have on right now. It's so dark. I love it. It's not a review, but I'm just showing my appreciation to Miss Odette. All right, so this is so beautiful. I love the blinks right here, and I love how it applies so smoothly, and it's very black. All right, so let's move on to the star of the show. I'll be applying Just Girly. That's what I'm going to be applying on. I already cut off a little bit band that came. The band is very thin. I believe it's going to be very easy to apply. And I already applied my glue on it, my adhesive. You all know what I meant when I said glue, not Gorilla Glue, adhesive. All right, and I'm just going to pop it on. Like I said, there was a little bit of the band extending to this side and this side. I just cut those off, and I'm going to go ahead and pop it on. Just like that. There. Ooh la la, it's like barely there. See? So I'm gonna go off the camera and pop on the second one, then I'll be back.
You don't know, bad man. Yeah. His body baby oh, his body baby oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything.
Yes, for my ladies out there that just want to look, you know, very simple and chic, I would recommend these lashes for you. You wear glasses, I would recommend it for you. You all have seen where I pushed it all the way to the back. Even though I don't wear my glasses like that, I put them on top of the bridge of my nose, just like the way you guys are saying it. That is how I wear my own glasses. But I decided to push them all the way to the back, just in case you wear yours that way. They were not touching the lashes were not touching my glasses at all. So Miss Odette Young's product says what it says it's gonna do. The lashes are bomb. Like, you should try them if you wear glasses, and also if you're just you don't like too much of dramatic lashes, I would recommend these lashes for you. They're so beautiful, they're so chic and stylish. All right, the one I have on right now is called Just Girly, and I have Romeo also that I'll be trying with you guys some other time in another video. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please, I will drop the link of Miss Odette Young in my description box, just in case you want to support her. She's a small business. Please, let's support each other to lift each other's up. I will drop her link in the description box. She's also a YouTuber just like me. Like I said earlier on, you can check out our channel as well. I will drop a link in the description box. Thank you all so much for watching, and please, if today is your first time, do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section, and please do subscribe as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.